husband came. When my husband come, remember said the boy, when me a talk to, realize that my husband they are Jamaica, the man full of me neck with a chain a icky. Remember say I go pick up my husband at airport the Sunday, and the Monday morning, me go up the road, go look for the guy. When me go look for the guy flood me off a pair icky. So whether that go cause no problem, because the man saying come to Jamaica, he might try to fix in relationship. You see, they said Monday when he put icky on my neck, my husband was supposed to bring me on a date. Him call me, the on the road, him call me, he said, dress up, put on some clothes, and just choose some place. Me and you go out, go eat some food and see if we can talk and see where we stand and whatever. I said to him, I can't come. He said, why you can't come? I said to him, because something happened and I feel like if I come around you like this, you're going to be upset. He said, what? And me explain to him, wagwan. All right, cool. He pissed off, but he never upset to the point where me and him are going to fight because we're not there. So no fighting or nothing go on. All right, good. All of that blew off now. So it's like basically, he come now to come pick up a baby them one morning. When he come to pick up a baby them one morning, the boy called me. When the boy called me, he realized that the boy called me, won't answer the phone. He might cuss. Like he upset, said the guy called me and stuff like that. So in my mind, I'm like, but you come down, me and you don't have a conversation if we're going to date back, if we are going to date back. We don't know what we are do. You're just there and me just there. Up to now, we not get to talk. We not get to do nothing. We not get to do none of that. So at the end of the day, I feel like he was pushing, like me if he left the guy and me never like that. You get where me I come from? So me go so boom now and text the girl because he put on his phone. When he put on his phone, you know what, like when somebody put on them phone and you can't scroll yourself and you can't see who I call them from, who not call them or whatever. When me look on the phone, me realize I pay missed calls from the girl. So me I say, cause remember now and tell me, say him and the girl break up. So me I said to myself, say then, if you and the girl break up, if you're not there, why is it that the girl a call you down? It now make no sense to me. You understand where me I come from? Cause he come back, he trying to fix me and him. He trying to take me on a date. He's getting upset about the man that he knew that I had putting icky on me, stuff like that. So I now started feeling like me need to know what's going on with you and the girl, since as you are so invested in what's going on with me and the guy. Anybody was smart and have sense, I go understand what the fuck I'm trying to say. All right, good. Did I know? And message the girl, but I decided to tell her that me and him do things, because if me did just text her and say, you want Jelani there, I don't feel like she would have answered. Because remember, this man was already over there. This man already coached her and tell her, listen, block D. And from him can tell her block me and you block me. That means that whatever him tell her, it go work with though. So me go so now and text the girl and me say, listen, me and the man are fucking, which we are not. I just said that to her because I needed her to answer me back and then be like, tell me the truth. So when she answer me back now, she texts me back and she say, really? And he here telling me that he don't see you and stuff like that, and I'm pregnant for him. So when I realize that when she tell me that she pregnant now, I send her my number, I say, okay, you can call me. When she call me now, me and her talk on the phone and I explained to her, I said, listen, me and the man is not together. I have messages, I have all the messages here. Let me read them for you guys. Because at the end of the day, one thing with me is when it come out to certain things, me not run certain joke. So when she tell me all of that now and me and her don't talk and everything, she messaged me back. See something here? See screenshot there? The screenshot is there, guys. She messaged me back. She said, D, thank you so much for coming to me. I really appreciate it because this nigga would continue leading me on. Gonna focus on myself and elevate because I don't need a man at all. I said, you're welcome. Ari, I said, you're welcome. But as I said, I feel he loves you. He just hates seeing me with other man. But this is dead. Meaning me and him, dead. Been dead. All right. She said, don't need love. I need loyalty. So he can keep it. I turn to her and I say, that's really for y'all to figure out. I said, that's really for y'all to figure out. You know, I had already left. She said to me, say, yeah, but he ain't got no kind of loyalty, so I don't want him. If you don't realize right there, so guys, when she said that, I totally changed the topic because it was never about me and her becoming friends and bonding over a nigga. That was never the point. I said to her, how are you feeling though about the baby? I totally changed the topic because at the end of the day, I was more concerned with the well-being of how she's feeling mentally and how the baby do. She texts back. Wait there. She texts back and she say, nah, keep it. And if I do, I ain't want nothing to do with him still. He will never even know what the child looks like, I swear. I said, I don't think you should hurt your child. Keep your baby. You got pregnant twice, not once. Because be reminded, she told me that she had gotten pregnant for him first, lost the baby, and then she breed again for him. Zin? I said to her, so this is not something that this is something that God wants. Always remember that. She said, no, it's something that Jelani wanted, not God. God would never try to hurt me like that because my heart is pure. But we live and we learn. What don't kill you make you stronger. And to be honest, it's not something I wanted either. Mind you now, guys, the whole time me and the girl they are text, y'all see how calm and how cool the conversation is going. The girl never said to me, say, oh, Jelani, tell her herself a dash with belly. She never told me none of this. So at the end of the day, I was here reasoning with her, thinking that, okay, she cool, and whatever she has going on, this girl is gonna leave me out of it. Because at the end of the day, it's really and truly not my business. Me and Jelani don't dare. I made a video last night and I said, yeah, I'm gonna fuck the man, I'm gonna deal with the man, I'm gonna do the things. And because let's be honest, at the end of the day, me and the man still married. He is my husband. If I feel like I want to fix my marriage, nobody on this planet can stop me. That is my decision. But yet, me and this man is not together. Me and my husband not there. Me and my husband not have sex. Me and my husband not doing nothing. Me and my husband not together. So when me soon not beat me, call me, yeah, me don't not do the most. I don't give a fuck. Y'all are not hurting me. Know that una not hurt me. It is so fuck up on this app. Me see the other day people come out. And the husband come out and the husband them a try to get back them wife and rub them, and then when the man them left and the man them no walk back, take the same thing and cuss and say, go man no want to know, man married do not fuck out and left on this and that. But let's be honest, enough women out there go through a lot of relationship trauma and they are not leaving.